Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming Tosca has the Vision AI add-on and you have admin rights. Once done, open Tosca Commander and create a new Vision AI repository so models are separated from regular test cases. Now import 1020 labeled screenshots per UI element. This gives the model variety. Make sure images reflect different states: enabled, disabled, hovered. This initial dataset accelerates training and reduces false positives as you proceed to model configuration and training. You now create a new vision model and assign your labeled assets to the corresponding control names. Once mapped, set the detection threshold around 0.7 to balance precision and recall, and enable basic augmentations like scale and rotation to improve robustness. Run a short training cycle of 5-10 epochs to validate behavior and inspect the confusion matrix. If precision is low, add more varied examples. If recall is low, lower the threshold slightly and retrain until results stabilize. You finish by inserting Vision AI actions into your Tosca test cases and referencing the trained model directly. Then execute 20 validation runs across target environments, different resolutions, color schemes, and scaling to ensure consistent detection. Make sure to log mismatches for targeted retraining. If elements are missed, relabel ambiguous images or add edge case examples, then retrain. And if false positives occur, raise the threshold by 0.05 increments. This targeted loop keeps the model reliable and maintainable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.